We've seen it again and again, criminals catching big breaks that put them back on the streets.
Now the state Supreme Court is hearing new suggestions on how to keep them behind bars. Here's News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart.
Dean, Jessica, we've heard the district attorney and Albuquerque police talk about this problem. Now state legislators are also chiming in, calling on the Supreme Court to make a major change. From accused repeat car thieves like Brianna Keck,
I have no fucking clue,
to murder suspects like Devon Lyman, accused of killing APD officer Daniel Webster in October. All too often, police say criminals are catching big breaks before facing real prison time.
It's really a matter of public safety.
And it's why State Rep David Adkins is chiming in on the issue along with 15 other Republican legislators. In a letter to the state Supreme Court, they're asking to amend a case management rule to allow prosecution 60 days to collect evidence rather than 10 and double the time cases may be brought to trial.
This is really about just protecting the citizens of Albuquerque and allowing the Albuquerque Police Department and the prosecutors to have enough time to do their job.
It's an issue both the district attorney and Albuquerque police chief are also speaking up about. The case management order, or CMO, was put in place in February to speed up cases and address jail overcrowding.
I think it's backfiring on us.
The DA says a mandatory 10-day turnaround for investigators has resulted in case dismissals. In his letter to the Supreme Court, APD Chief Gordon Eden says it's often difficult or impossible to meet CMO deadlines. He points out the investigations of Officer Webster's death and 4-year-old Lily Garcia's were handled at the same time and asks that serious and violent felony cases be exempt from current strict court deadlines. So what about jail overcrowding?
That may be a consequence, but it would be better than having some of the dangerous criminals that have been released because of this out on the streets.
Now, in a statement today, DA Carrie Brandenburg points out this weekend's crash that killed 3 people. Her office has until next week to get APD's complete investigation into the accused drunk driver, then present it to a grand jury. Back to you.
All right, Gabrielle, thank you. It is not clear when the Supreme Court may take up this issue. To read the full letters from APD's chief, state legislators, and the DA's statement on this issue, head to the story on our KRQE app.